So here's how to rescale photo in AI Canva. Also, click on the link in the description if you want to access all the features in Canva Pro. First of all, open up your browser and go to the canva.com official website. Once you're here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then, click on Upload on the top right corner right here. After that, you need to select Choose Files or open the folder where your file is located and drag it over to this section. So, I will go through my folders and look for the file that I want. Now once you find it, just drag it over. After that, you need to click on Use in a new design. Then, from the drop-down options, I will go with Whiteboard. You can select other ones if you want. So as you can see, our image is ready to be edited. So, if you look down to the bottom right, you will notice a page option. Just click on the slider bar and drag it to the left or right in order to rescale your photo. It is as easy as that. Don't forget to click my link in the description if you want to get Canva Pro to access all the features of Canva. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.